Hello everyone, it's Sarah from the Helyx initiative, and today I'll be showing you how to create lists in Python. So without further ado, let's go ahead and begin. Let's start with a pretty simple list. Let's just do a number list. So we can do number list equals 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's go ahead and run that. Oh no, why isn't it displaying anything? Did we do something wrong? Well, not exactly. We told Python what number list is, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, but we didn't tell Python to actually print it. So to fix this, all we need to do is put in a print statement. Print parentheses number list. And if we print that, we can see our list. Yay, problem solved. And we handled integers, which are numbers, but we can also do strings, which are words and letters. So let's say we wanted to make a name list. We can do my name, which is Sarah. We can do Helyx, and we can do Sam. So once again, we need a print statement, print name list, run that, and we've got our names. And remember that when you use strings, you have to put double quotations around them. Otherwise, it will display an error and won't print what you want. And we can also combine different types of data types. Remember, we learned about strings, floats, and ints. So we can make a random list and define that as maybe 5, 2.3, and Sarah. And then we just gotta print that. So we print, and we've got that. We've got our list. And so the final example I would like to share today is a grocery list. So let's make a list of things that we would buy at the grocery store. It's summertime, so why not get some ice cream? Let's get some watermelon because they're in season right now. You can also get some maybe cookies. And to add something healthier, we can get lettuce. And then we have to print this grocery list. We print that and we get our list. So what if we want to know how many items are in our list? Well, we can count that 1, 2, 3, 4. But we can also use a function in Python to just give us that number. So we can use the len function to find the length. So we do len and put grocery list inside because it needs to know what to find the length of, in this case, the grocery list. And then we will need a print statement in front of it so we can actually print it. And it outputs 4, so that is correct. And what if we wanted to add another item to the list? Let's say that we are really craving some, what would I crave? Maybe some orange juice. I like orange juice. So we could use the append function. So first you need grocery list, dot, and then the append, parentheses, what you're adding, orange juice. And then we need to print this. And we've got our updated list with orange juice. So one of the really cool things about Python and lists is that it automatically updates the list. So you don't need to create a new list. And what if we wanted to remove an item? Let's say we wanted to remove lettuce because I don't really like lettuce. Then we would use the remove function. So grocery list is very similar to the append function, except you put remove. And then parentheses, lettuce. And you're going to print this again, and Python will automatically update it for you. So now we've got our updated list with ice cream, watermelon, cookies, and orange juice. So thank you for watching this video.